Welcome to part 28 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Act. Act. We act like superheroes when we play dress up. Escape. Escape. The puppy tries to escape from the garden by digging a hole. Discover. Discover. I love to discover hidden toys under my bed. Deliver. Deliver. The postman delivers a special birthday card to me. Explain. Explain. I explain how to play the game to my little brother. Imagine. Imagine. We imagine that we are pirates sailing on a big ship. Connect. Connect. Let's connect all the puzzle pieces to finish the picture. Paint. Paint. We love to paint colorful rainbows in art class. Bake. Bake. Mom and I bake yummy cookies for a snack. Share. Share. We share our toys so everyone can have fun together. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.